It's a little wonky. It's April 4th. Yesterday I squished queen cells and murdered some rogue queens. Queens that the bees had made themselves and I believe had some Africanized genes in their brood. So I have 3 new queens here. They are marked with a blue dot because 2025 is blue, and I appreciate the person I bought them from marking them for me because now I don't have to do it. So I'm going to start over here at Hive 4, and we're going to just kind of set this in there and see how they act. And I'm hopeful that everyone's going to accept some new queens since I left a day in between clearing them out and adding new ones. So they don't seem like they're attacking. Like I don't see anyone acting like they want to sting. So we'll check back in a couple days and see what happens. Okay. Alright, so 2 left. I'm going to do Hive 5. I'm saving Hive 1 for last because they're nasty. So we'll see how these guys accept the queen. Well, so far, so good. Let's see how this hive reacts. This is the one I'm most worried about. I did wash my suit yesterday, but I thought maybe I've got some pheromones on me or something that are causing me to be more aggravated when I'm working this hive. I don't know, but see if it makes any difference. Ignoring her. There we go. Okay. plenty in here. This is why we're requeening this hive. This behavior right here. So maybe other hives do this? Okay. I might just walk away a minute here and let them settle around that queen. Say if you walk into under a tree branch, the bees will leave you alone. Is it working? Not really. It's funny, they're kind of ignoring her. Attacking, I suppose. This is why we're requeening, right here. I'm not even near their hive right now. I'm standing under a palm frond, which should be a deterrent. It's not working. Go home. Walked away without my smoker. Okay, so looks like they are starting to gather around her. Alright, girl. I hope that you're gonna accept her. I'm tired of having this hive open right now. Well, check back in a couple days and see if they've accepted her. It's going to take about 6 weeks for them to get rid of this genetic disposition, though. So I've got 6 more weeks of enjoying this behavior. But they might settle down a little bit just for having a queen. Anyway.